Hi, it's Mr. Schwannebeck from Horizon Elementary again. This week we're going to take your best thumbnail and begin enlarging it for the final. I want you to watch how I create overlap by drawing a line until it crashes into the next line, then I skip over and continue. Do you notice how large I'm drawing? Many of these pieces are so tall that they reach almost halfway up the page. Now you can see that I pulled out my blues and greens from my colored pencils. Those are the colors that I chose to use. You should choose a small group of colors too. You might use colored pencil like I'm using, or you could choose crayons. If you don't have a color material, you could even work in Seesaw with the Seesaw tools. Use your thumbnail and plan big. Today, we're only outlining the organic shapes. Your thumbnail is a sketch. It's your plan of what you're going to do. But feel free to make changes. Sometimes an idea in your thumbnail won't work on the big artwork. It's okay to make changes. Remember, organic shapes are natural, they're uneven, they're curvy, they are not perfect. Try to use at least 3 different organic shapes in your work. Also, be thinking about pattern. Try to include at least 3 patterns in your design. What shapes can you repeat? Maybe a leaf gets drawn again and again and again. Maybe there's another plant or organic shape that you can repeat in your picture. As you're repeating those shapes, you might even introduce a little bit of variety, make little changes to the shapes. We call that rhythm, and it adds a lot of interest to your design. Work today to add your organic shapes, your patterns, and your overlap until you have your whole space filled. Create on whatever paper and with whatever materials you have at home. Here's one that I did on blue paper and another I did on white with crayon. When you're done, upload it to Seesaw so we can see it. Next week, we'll put on the finishing touches.